Shawn here with Stellrr. We have found there's an epidemic of hidden damage in older homes around Austin, Texas. With the Stellrr Home Performance Diagnostic Consult, we can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and make sure you protect your most important investment. If this damage is left unchecked, it can double damage cost when it causes the AC unit to go out and be replaced, attracts termites, or grows mold. The hidden damage often goes undetected from inside the home. It can cause someone in the home to be unnecessarily unwell, especially those with weak immune system, allergies, or asthma. We'll tell you if the damage may be covered by your homeowner warranty or insurance. We often find hidden damage from faulty building assemblies, discontinued insulation with asbestos or formaldehyde, past roof leaks, rodents, and remodeling. So why get a Stellrr Home Performance Diagnostic Consult now? Look, forget the fact that you may be overpaying on your utility bills. Forget the fact that part of your home may be uncomfortable. Sure, you could enjoy a more efficient, comfortable, energy-saving home. The bottom line is this: you're most likely going to pay to fix the damage when you go to sell the home. The buyer requires a discount to address the problems or walks away. The only question is, will you get to enjoy the benefits of the repairs while you own the home, or will the new buyer be the only person who benefits? Let's uncover the hidden damage in your home now. Fix it to make your home more comfortable, healthier, and energy efficient. During the diagnostic consult, we will analyze the house, do thermal imaging, blower door testing, and identify the problem areas. We'll share with you what it costs to fix the problems and can even calculate your annual return on investment. We often see a 10 to 20% return on investment, which is better odds than the stock market. Book your home performance diagnostic consult today.